Dhaka Secondary School and College. I am Sami Sar. I am going to teach you the periodicity of elements. Chapter number 4. Periodicity of elements. The topic is Newland octave rule. Introduction. This law was introduced by an industrial chemist Newland in 1863. The statement of the rule, statement of the law. If the elements are arranged in the order of increasing atomic masses, every eighth element starting from the given first has similar properties to the given first. Its properties are the kind of repetition according to the first, like the eighth note of octave music. For example, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen and fluorine. These are the elements. After fluorine, the eighth element becomes sodium, which is resembled in characteristic with lithium. Similarly, barium is eighth with respect to beryllium, so it is resembled in characteristic with the beryllium. Aluminium is resembled to the boron, because aluminum is eighth element with respect to boron, so it is resembled in character with the boron. This was the Newland octave rule. Now the next topic is Mendeleev periodic law. This law was put forward by Mendeleev in 1869. He arranged the elements in the periodic table on the basis of increasing atomic masses. The physical and chemical properties of the elements are the periodic function of their increasing order of atomic masses. As we increase the atomic mass, their physical and chemical properties increases, change. His periodic table consists of 8 group and 12 period. He placed the elements of the same properties in the same groups or columns. Salient features of Mendeleev periodic table are given below. His periodic table consists of 12 rows and 8 columns. Rows are called period and columns are called groups. Elements of same group have similar properties. His periodic table consists of vacant spaces to those elements which will have to be discovered. He also predicted their properties. He named them as Ika. Ika means very rapid, coming soon, before one. Like Ika silicon means soon coming after the silicon. He also predicted the properties of elements. Group number indicates the highest valence number which an element attains in the periodic table. Now I am going to the advantages of Mendeleev periodic table. Number 1. Mendeleev periodic table gives us a systematic way to study the element. He gave a system to study the element. Number 2. Prediction of new elements were made possible and their properties are also predicted, which are mostly found true. The properties which were said by Mendeleev, mostly these properties are found true. His periodic table helped us in correcting many doubtful atomic masses of the elements. Thank you.